Feeling overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list? There's a better way to manage projects, and it's called Trello. So, what exactly is Trello? At its core, Trello is a visual project management and collaboration tool designed to help individuals and teams organize and prioritize tasks efficiently. Think of it as a digital whiteboard with flexible columns or lists that you can customize to represent different stages of a project workflow. For example, you might have lists for to-do, in progress, and completed. Within each list, you create cards. These cards represent individual tasks or items that need to be worked on. The magic of Trello lies in the card details. You can add descriptions, assign team members, set due dates, upload attachments, and even include checklists. Now, the best part, moving cards between lists is as simple as dragging and dropping. This allows you to visually track the progress of each task as it moves through your workflow. But Trello isn't just for individual productivity, it's a powerful tool for team collaboration. You can easily invite team members to your boards, assign them tasks, and communicate directly within the cards. Trello's versatility makes it applicable across a wide range of projects, from software development and marketing campaigns to event planning and even personal task management. So, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Trello provides a flexible and intuitive way to organize, collaborate, and ultimately get things done.